Alright, this is a fan I installed today here in one of the bedrooms at the new house that my dad is remodeling. This is the Patriot lighting Nixie collection. I'm gonna have a lot of trouble remembering some of these names of these fans. It's another fan from Menards, and I literally just finished installing this about 5 minutes ago. And so I'm going to show the demonstration of it. I think it's a really nice fan. Looks really good in here, in my opinion. So yeah, there's the remote right here. And so we'll start with the light. Dim it. It takes a while to dim. All right, and we'll start with low. I'll just hold it in my hand. I also put up another one today in the laundry room, but I would show it right now, but there's somebody in there painting. I gotta make this kind of quick because we're getting ready to leave, I think. Has a nice aesthetic low. Has a little hum to it, but nothing really to write home about. All right, here's medium. Doesn't wobble as much as I can tell. Feel a good breeze from it. And here's high. And the MDF blade noise completely drowns out the humming noise, so blows a lot of air. I really love that light kit on it as well. Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna wall mount it later. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.